New free code from MQL5, indicators, and scripts for traders. Risk Management Kit.MQ5 is an MQL5 Expert Advisor EA for risk control and position management. It is not a signal generator and it does not open trades by strategy logic. The EA is designed to run on any symbol and any time frame as a protective layer for manual trading or other entry systems. What the EA does on each tick-on tick, risk-based calculation, daily lock system logic, break-even logic, external input parameters, recommended usage, attach EA to the symbol you want to manage. It provides risk sizing and protective management only. Entry and exit strategy rules are expected to be handled separately. Note, this EA does not open positions automatically. It is intended for risk control and position management only. Trade Renko charts automatically using the advanced Renko Expert Advisors. Clean trends, better entries. Discover them here. Build better strategies with Robot FX professional tools. Check them out. 69,586 best Metatrader indicators. Profitable expert advisors.